Students, today we are going to discuss about trapezium. First, what is trapezium? A parallelogram with one pair of non-parallel sides. Non-parallel sides is known as a trapezium. Here you see A, D and B, C are non-parallel. But A, B and D, C are parallel. Then the distance between the parallel sides, that means AB and DC. The distance between the parallel sides is the height of the trapezium. Is the height of the trapezium. Here ABCD is a trapezium with parallel sides AB and DC measuring A units and B units respectively. Then isosceles trapezium. If the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, that means AB is equal to CD, then it is known as an isosceles trapezium. See how to calculate the area of a trapezium. So this is formula for the area of a trapezium. Area of a trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b square units. Okay, now we going to see the example. Find the area of the trapezium whose height is 14 centimeter. That means h is equal to 14 centimeter and the parallel sides are 18 centimeter and 9 centimeter of length. That is A is equal to 18 and B is equal to 9. Okay, now we going to see solution. First we write given question. Okay, given questions are h is equal to 14 centimeter and A is equal to 18 centimeter and B is equal to 9 centimeter. Already we know that formula of area of a trapezium. So we write area of the trapezium. Okay, half into h into a plus b square units. Okay, do the calculation. Half into h is equal to 14 into a is equal to 18 plus b is equal to 9. Then 14 by 2 cancelled to get 7 into 18 plus 9 is equal to 27. Then 7 into 27 we get the answer 189. Then square centimeter. Therefore area of the trapezium is equal to 189 square centimeter. That's it. We will see the next example. The parallel sides of a trapezium are 23 centimeter and 12 centimeter. That is A equal to 23 centimeter and B is equal to 12 centimeter. Then the distance between the parallel sides is 9 centimeter. That is h is equal to 9 centimeter. Then we have to find the area of the trapezium. Okay, now we going to see solution. Here A, B and D, C are parallel sides. So AB is equal to 23 centimeter and DC equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, H is equal to 9 centimeter. First we write given data. Okay, givens are A is equal to 23 centimeter and B is equal to 12 centimeter and H is equal to 9 centimeter. Already we know that area of the trapezium. So next we write area of the trapezium. Okay, formula half into h into a plus b square units. Next, do the calculation. Half into the value of h is 9 into the value of a is 23 centimeter plus the value of B is 12 centimeter. Next one, next step, half into 9 into the sum of 23 plus 12. Listen, 3 after 2, 5, 2 after 1, 3. So the answer is 35. Next, half into, okay, the calculation of 9 into 35. 9 5s are 45, remaining 4. 9 3s are 27. 27 after 4, 31. So we get the answer 315. Next, 2 and 315 cancel it. Listen, now we take the table, 2 table. 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, remaining 1, 11. 5 2s are 10, remaining 1, 15. 7 2s are 14, remaining 1, and we write point and take this 0. So 5 2s are 10. So we get the answer 157.5. Here centimeter, here also centimeter. So centimeter square. Finally, we write the answer, area of the trapezium is equal to, the answer is 157.5 centimeter square. Once again I repeat, first we write solution. Given data, A is equal to 23 centimeter and B is equal to 12 centimeter. A and B are parallel sides. H is equal to 9 centimeter, that is distance. Okay, next we write the formula, area of the trapezium. Already we know that, previous example. Okay, half into H into A plus B square units. Now do the calculation. Half into the value of H is 9 into the value of A is 23, the value of B is 12. And next step, half into 9 into the sum of 23 plus 12. 3 after 2 5, 2 after 1 3. So we get the answer is 35. The next step, half into 9 into 35. Do the calculation. So 9 5s are 45, remaining 4 or balance 4. Next 9 3s are 27. 27, the remaining 4 is added. So 23 after 4, 31. So the answer is 315. So 1 by 2 into 315. Now 2 and 315 cancel it. We take the table 2 table. 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, remaining 1, 11. So 5 2s are 10, remaining 1. So 15 we get. So 7 2s are 14, the remaining 1. So we write point and take this 0. So we convert 10. So 5 2s are 10. So the answer is 157.5. Here centimeter, here also centimeter. So we write centimeter squared. Finally we write the final answer. Area of the trapezium is equal to 157.5 centimeter squared. Thank you dear students. Okay, we will see the next example. The area of a trapezium is 828 square centimeter. That is, area is equal to 828 square centimeter if the lengths of its parallel sides are 19.6 centimeter and 16.4 centimeter. That is, A is equal to 19.6 centimeter and B is equal to 16.4 centimeter. Now we have to find the distance, that is H. We have to find between them. Okay, now we are going to solution. Here A, B and D, C are parallel sides. A, B is equal to 19.6 centimeter, that is A is equal to 19.6 centimeter, and D, C is equal to 16.4 centimeter, that is B is equal to 16.4 centimeter. Okay, we have to find the distance, that is H. Here's area of the trapezium, 828 square centimeter. First we write given data. Okay, first one, area of the trapezium. Area of the trapezium is equal to 828 square centimeter. Now A is equal to 19.6 centimeter and B is equal to 16.4 centimeter. Okay, already we know that area of the trapezium. So next we write area of the trapezium of into H into A plus B is equal to, the area of the trapezium is 828 square centimeter. Now do the calculation of into H into the value of A is 19.6 plus the value of B is 16.4 is equal to 828 square centimeter. The next step of into H into the sum of 19.6 and 16.4, we get the answer 19.6 and 16.4. Okay, 6 after 4 10, we write 0, the remaining 1. 9 after 1 10, 10 after 6 16, we write 6, the remaining 1. 1 after 1 2, 2 after 1 3. So we get the answer is 36 is equal to 828. Then 2 and 36 cancel it, we get 2 1, take the 2 table, 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, the remaining 1. So 16, 8 2s are 16. Okay, the next step 18 into h is equal to 828. Okay, here 18, this is the left hand side, it will come to the right hand side and comes as the division. So the next step, h is equal to 828 divided by 18. Okay, 828 and 18. Okay, okay, 18 fours are 72, remaining 10, the next digit 808, 18 6 are 108, remaining 0. So we get the answer 46. Unit is centimeter. So the final answer, that therefore this distance between the parallel sides, therefore distance between the parallel sides, that is h, is equal to 46 centimeter. Okay, not only square, because this is h, not area. Okay, all are understand. Okay, once again I repeat the same example, same sum. Given data, first we write solution and then write given data. First one, area of the trapezium is equal to 828 square centimeter, A is equal to 19.6 centimeter and B is equal to 16.4 centimeter. Already we know that area of the trapezium, so we write half into h into A plus B is equal to 828 square centimeter, given question. Okay, then we write next step, half into h into, okay, the value of A is 19.6 plus the value of B is 16.4 is equal to 828 square centimeter. Next step, half into h into the sum of 19.6 plus 16.4, we get the answer 36. Then 2 and 36 cancel it, we get the answer 18, because now take the table 2 1 is 2, remaining 1 16, 8 2s are 16. Okay, then 18 into h is equal to 828. Here 18, this is the left hand side. Okay, it will come to the right hand side and comes as the division. So h is equal to 828 divided by 18. Okay, we get the answer 46. The unit is centimeter, because A is equal to centimeter and B is equal to centimeter. So h is equal to unit centimeter. The h is equal to 46 centimeter. Therefore, final answer, distance between the parallel sides, h is equal to 46 centimeter. Okay, my dear students.